everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to get Tron address in Binance. This is very quick and easy. Let's jump right in. Before starting this video, please subscribe my channel. First of all, you have to open Binance application, and here you have to click on this deposit icon. When you click on this deposit icon, now here you have to click on this deposit crypto. After that, here you have to click on this top right. Here you have to click on top left search icon, and here you have to type Tron, Tron. Now here you have to type Tron TRX. Click on this top TRX icon. After that, here you have to click on Tron TRC20. Click on this. Now here you can see this is my Tron TRC20 wallet address. To copy this wallet address, you have to click on this icon front of this your wallet address. You have to click on this icon. Now here you can see my wallet address has been copied. In this way you can copy your wallet address in Binance. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.